Hello, I'm Ricky Lee, and today on the Watchlist, I'm joined by Wayne Tupuola, CEO of Laser Photonics Corp. The company has recently issued a letter to shareholders outlining its 2025 achievements and providing an outlook for 2026 as it continues to expand its laser cleaning and marking technology footprint. Wayne, welcome to the Watchlist.
Thanks for having me, Ricky.
Thanks for being here. So, Wayne, given the broader push toward cleaner, automated industrial processes that we're seeing now, particularly in defense, aerospace, and manufacturing, what were the most strategically important milestones for Laser Photonics this year?
Well, I think if we review what has happened in 2025, will pretty much give a better backdrop of what most investors and all the audience can expect for 2026. So in 2025, the geopolitical environment, particularly the ongoing conflict in the Middle East and heightened tensions involving Iran, fundamentally reinforced the strategic relevance of our defense-focused technologies. The key highlight was the progress we made with our laser shield anti-drone platform, which is LSAD. Throughout the year, we validated LSAD in real-world defense scenarios through testing and evaluations with the military and homeland security stakeholders focused on counter-UAS threats. Also advanced integration work so LSAD can be deployed as part of layered air defense systems rather than as a standalone point solution. At the same time, we continue to strengthen our core laser source technology, which underpins LSAD and our broader industrial portfolio. This work laid the foundation for our next major innovation, our quantum bullet technology, which we expect will be transformational in 2026 and beyond. So operationally, we stayed disciplined. We focused R&D on defense and security use cases with clear demand signals, with continuing to support our industrial customers. The balance between near-term opportunity and long-term platform development is what positions us well going into 2026. So number two, we also provided the company with the 2026 outlook. So that's what we'll go into next.
Yeah, so it feels like 2025 was kind of about building traction and validating demand, and now we're moving into 2026. Is this now a year focused on scaling? What are the key catalysts investors should be watching for?
Yeah, so 2026 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for Laser Photonics, and it will be defined by two major themes: the emergence of LSAD as the flagship product and the introduction of our quantum bullet technology. First, LSAD and the current threat environment. So the war-driven rise in drone and loitering munitions used particularly in and around Iran and neighboring regions is accelerating global demand for cost-effective, scalable anti-drone solutions. So we expect LSAD to be the centerpiece of our 2026 story as we work toward expanding pilot and evaluation programs into initial field deployments with the defense and critical infrastructure customers, enhancing range tracking and autonomous engagement capabilities to address more complex and swarm-type threats, which really differentiates us from the competition. We're also positioning LSAT as a high-impact, high-visibility product line in our portfolio. Second, on our quantum bullet technology in 2026, we plan to introduce quantum bullet as the next generation laser energy platform designed to amplify available laser energy for LSAT by up to 100 times versus our current baseline. So dramatically improving engagement, envelope, and effectiveness. Also serve as a common energy backbone that can be applied across multiple product families: defense, industrial cleaning, surface preparation, and emerging applications. So this is not just performance upgrade, it's a platform strategy. As quantum bullet matures, we expect new product variants and entirely new categories built around the same core technology. Step change improvements in size, weight, power, and cost characteristics that improve adoption economics for both defense and industrial customers. So for 2026 should showcase LSAD moving from a promising innovation to a defining growth driver, aligned with urgent global security needs. Quantum Bullet beginning to reshape our entire technology stack, starting with LSAD and then cascading into existing and future products. And a tighter strategic focus on defense, security, and mission critical industry applications where our technology can command premium value and long time contracts. So, in short, in the context of today's conflict environment and rapidly evolve drone threats, we see 2026 as the year Laser Photonics transitions from being known as an industrial laser company to being recognized as a strategic player in direct energy defense solutions powered by Quantum Bullet and our Laser Shield anti-drone platform.
Amazing. Well, lots to think about there. Thank you for your time today, Wayne.
Thank you for having me, Ricky.
Once again, that is Wayne Tupuola, CEO of Laser Photonics Corp. For more on the company's technology and outlook, visit laserphotonics.com. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.